welcome back to the Campus Galaxy Sisters.
My name is Gabriela Estrella Campos, and this is my little sister,
Liliana Luna Campos.
And today we are back with a hair tutorial video. Yes, a hair tutorial video. I know you guys absolutely love these type of videos. So here we are, gonna do a video. So we're just gonna see what I have going on here. And this is what I'm doing on my little sister. I call it the 2 ponytail fish braids. It's a weird name, but yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do it with. This is what you're gonna do. I already put on a ponytail on this side of my little sister. So all you're basically doing is splitting the hair, and you're splitting the sides of your hair. Back. You already have your little ponytail here. That's all you're gonna do. First step is gonna be split your hair. Second step is to do your 2 ponytails. That's all you can do. And then I'll show you the complicated one. So she showered today, but it is a little dried. So I have a sprayer. That's what you call it, guys. A sprayer. I don't know. But I have
a water gun sprayer.
Yeah, that's that.
Mostly it's a water gun.
Yes, this one is cold. Okay, so you're brushing your hair, and we already started, but please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, if you support us with everything that we do, some of you. Okay, so that's basically what you're doing. This is how you or your sibling or any of the person that you're doing your twin, and this is how it should look. Turn just to give it a little turn.
Oh.
Okay, so that's how it should look, cute and all that. Okay, so now we're gonna do the complicated. Dun dun dun. The fish ones. This is not too complicated as it looks.
My sister always been good doing like fish braids, anything, because my tia taught her.
Yeah, my tia Sammy, shout out to her. She's the one that actually showed me how to do fish braids.
I'm still doing it. I'm trying. I just do this.
Yeah, she's trying to learn how to do braids. Okay, so this is all basically what you can do. So please look. So you have her hair. You're gonna split it into half, just like that. Okay. You're gonna grab, I guess, your pointer finger in the middle. You're gonna grab a piece here, just a little piece from the second half. You're gonna cross over and add it to the other one. Same thing. I don't know if I'm making sense. You're gonna grab one piece here. Let me see the way I'm doing it. Don't move, Lily. And Lily has sort of long hair, so this may take a little bit. If you have short hair, it won't take as long, but it's still a process. And it should not look like a 3 braid, like the ones that you normally do. It should not look like that, because then you're just doing it with 3s, and you're only supposed to do it with halves, which is 2s. Just stay there, okay? So as you see that it is going in, that's all you're doing, okay? And you're just going to keep on going because it is basically a pattern. And before you do this, I just gotta warn you that when you take it out, good luck. That's all I'm gonna say. Just good luck when you take it out.
Nice muscles. Oh, this guy. These guys. This is not me. This is my daddy. My dad got in my brain, my stomach. Then I feel him doing my muscles. As you can tell, I got big muscles.
Oh, you do? Haven't noticed.
And
you try to get them from the back here, because then, like, if you wait too long, it's going to go, like, over it, like, because I sort of messed up. See, there's one right here, but I went over it. And this is basically what you're going to keep on doing. It does take more than 5 minutes. I mean, for the beginners, I guess it's going to take you a while. I did not get it perfectly on my first try, first or second, maybe even third. I don't know how much times I did it wrong, because it does take a while. So don't hate yourself if it did not come out as good, but I promise, guys, it will get better. Whew, lost my grip there. Then grab a little piece from the back, cross it over, grab another one. And of course, you can always pause the video or rewind it if you did not get the steps. And of course, the materials you're going to need are the big rubber band, we call them jongos. I don't really know how to say in English, even though my first language is English.
I did it, guys. I did it.
Those are just little twists. But yeah, and just a little rubber band. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. Okay. All you're going to need is just a couple of these. And of course, you can always go even further. So this is how it should look. Okay, I'll go to the second side. Lily, turn. So you're not going to be looking at your big guns right now, okay? Okay. Again. Halves. Some of you. Sorry. And make sure you guys brush it because it has to go smoothly. Half. I'm going to take it from this side. It's the same half, okay, guys? You're going to go cross it over. Just add it to the other side. So all you're doing, it's really simple. I don't know why I really said complicated. But it is very simple. And the thinner the pieces, the longer it's going to be. But it's whatever you wanted to do. If you want them thick, thin, it's your choice. Your hair, your choice. But yeah, so I'm just gonna explain it on a few more times. So again, it was halves. Then I'm gonna grab it. You could do whichever side. There's not an order, like which way you have to start it from. But I like starting basically from my right. So I go here. You're gonna go across it. You're gonna add it. Piece. Cross, add. Piece, cross, add. That's all you're doing, guys. And I promise you guys, if this comes out wonderful, it's really gonna look beautiful because it looks beautiful in person. It's gonna look gorgeous on you guys. So I'm gonna explain the order from all over again. First, you split down the middle from your head right here. Then you do your 2 ponytails. And then third, you're gonna do your fish braids. Remember, piece, cross, put it in. Piece, cross, put it in. That's all you're doing. But the thicker that you do it, it's gonna look like the third ones. And then I'm gonna show you when I'm done with it. Hold on. Yes, and then the hair ties. Yeah, then you gotta do your hair tie, because if you don't have your hair tie, how is it gonna stay? You just basically did all that work for no reason. You're gonna go in the car, you're gonna go out, you're gonna look beautiful, and then you get off. Where's my hair tie? I did all this, spent I don't know how much hours, I don't know how much minutes, but you took forever, and did it for nothing. Trust me, if that was me, I would have been so mad. But yeah. It's also a workout for your fingers too. But as I said, the longer the hair, the longer it's gonna be. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it right there. It doesn't matter where you stop it, just as long as you stop it. Okay. So this is how it looks. And here's another way where you can do it. You can go always, you gotta start from the bottom to the top if you do this. See these little things? You just gotta take them out. Just a little bit, you just take them out. Just a little. All you're doing is just pulling them. And it makes a huge difference. Like, honestly. Can you turn it, please? Just so they can see it better. It makes a huge difference on what it is. Me, I did not do it on my hair, but
this is how it looks, guys.
This is how it was before, and this is how it was before, and this is when it really sticks out when you actually pull them. There's also a powder, but I don't really know from what brand it is. Well, there it is, guys. I know it took a while, maybe 10. I don't know how much minutes it took. But that's because she had pretty long hair. So, it's not my fault. But if you like the video, of course, what do?
Give a huge thumbs up.
Humongous thumbs up, guys. Come on, guys. Please do the thumbs up. I know you guys love the video. Don't, just all you gotta do is just click it. Hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. As I said, as we always say, we're going to be back with more
Videos.
Bye.
Bye. Love
Stay
you.
safe.
Stay safe.